Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are good. Guys, as you seen in the thumbnail that how to use Snapchat crying filter on Instagram. So in this video of today I will tell you exactly the same filter which is going viral on Instagram. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So guys, first you update your Instagram and open it. Okay, now you have to click on your profile picture and click on the camera. Now go to the right side and click on the browse effects option and search here menangis. You have to keep spelling like this, menangis. Okay, see guys, first filter video is the crying filter video, so click on this video and you can permanently save this filter from here. Okay, but if you want to try directly, then click on the try it option. Guys, I'm using back camera, but you have to turn your front and the long press on your camera and record your video. So in this way you can get this filter on Instagram.